हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चॅनल. आज आपण काहीतरी नवीन घेऊन आलेलो आहोत. आज आपण रीडिंग करणार आहोत. चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूया. What a bird thought. I live first in a little house and live there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I live next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell you. Can you? Thank you.